What if you could make money while doing absolutely nothing? Today I'll show you 5 real set-and-forget income systems that earn in the background while you live your life. I spent the last month setting up 5 different passive income streams, and I'm breaking down exactly how they work, how much they made, and how you can set them up too. We're talking about money that comes in while you sleep, go to school, or even watch this video. I put these to the test. No get-rich-quick schemes, just smart systems that work for you 24/7. I'll walk you through every step, from installing an app to buying a stock that pays you weekly. We'll cover everything from selling your extra internet bandwidth, to automated trading bots, to digital products that sell themselves. The goal: build income streams that require almost zero effort once they're running. Let's get started. First up, turning your unused internet into cash. This is one of the easiest ways to make your internet connection work for you, instead of just being another monthly bill. Most of us pay for internet we don't use 24/7. There are hours when your connection just sits idle, especially overnight, or when you're at work. Why not get paid for the extra bandwidth you're already paying for? I use 2 apps, Honeygain and Peer2Profit. Both let you sell unused bandwidth to companies for things like market research, ad verification, and even web intelligence. They're legit, and millions of people use them worldwide. Setup is simple. Just download the apps on your computer, old laptops, or spare phones. You sign in and let them run quietly in the background. You can even use devices that were just collecting dust in a drawer. You don't have to do anything else. The apps quietly use a tiny bit of your internet, so you won't even notice them running. They don't slow down your connection or interfere with your daily browsing. Here's the trick. Run both apps on the same devices at the same time. I call this income stacking, and it's a simple way to double up your passive earnings without any extra effort. I installed both on my desktop, laptop, and 3 old phones. The more devices you connect, the more you can earn. Even that ancient phone in your drawer can become a mini cash generator. Just plug in your old phones, connect them to Wi-Fi, and forget about them. They'll quietly earn for you in the background, no matter where you leave them in your house. How much can you make? It depends on your location, your internet speed, and the number of devices you have running. Some countries and cities pay more than others, and faster connections usually mean higher earnings. For me, 5 devices brought in a few dollars a day, like digital loose change that never stops. It's not a fortune, but it's real, steady money for doing absolutely nothing. Scale it up with more devices, and you could easily cover your Netflix subscription, your Spotify, or even your entire internet bill each month. It's a great way to offset your digital expenses. Let's check the dashboards. Both Honeygain and Peer2Profit show steady passive earnings. You can watch your balance grow in real time and see exactly how much each device is making. Cash out via PayPal or crypto. After the 10-minute setup, there's nothing else to do. Just let the apps do their thing and collect your earnings whenever you want. No money needed to start, no special skills, just a device and an internet connection. Anyone can do this, whether you're a student, a parent, or just someone with a few spare gadgets. I let this run for a month and made about $45. Not life-changing, but it's $45 for doing nothing at all. That's a dinner out, or a few months of streaming, just for letting your devices work for you. This is the power of set-and-forget income. Stack more streams like this, and it really adds up over time. It's a smart way to make your tech pay you back. Ready for something with even bigger potential? Let's move on to the next method and see how you can level up your passive income game. Next, let's level up automated Forex trading bots. Imagine having a robot tirelessly working for you, analyzing markets and making trades while you sleep, eat, or go about your day. It sounds futuristic, but it's actually possible right now. I knew nothing about Forex, but I managed to set this up in under an hour. If you're a complete beginner, don't worry. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly, and there are tons of guides online. A trading bot is a program that trades currencies for you, 24/7, based on a set strategy. It follows strict rules and doesn't get tired or distracted. It never sleeps, never gets emotional, and can execute trades faster than any human. The bot can monitor dozens of currency pairs at once, something no person could ever do. The challenge: finding a legit bot. There are thousands out there, but not all are trustworthy or profitable. I used MQL5.com, a marketplace with verified performance histories. This site lets you see real results from other users so you can avoid scams. I looked for a bot with a long, stable track record, aiming for 5–10% profit per month, low risk. Consistency is more important than wild profits. Setup is simple. Sign up with a regulated broker, deposit a small amount, and connect your account to the bot on MQL5. Most brokers have step-by-step instructions. The bot copies trades automatically, mirroring the strategy you've chosen. You don't need to watch the charts all day. After setup, my work was done. Risk management is key though. Don't just set and forget without checking your settings. I set the bot to low risk, risking only a tiny fraction per trade. This helps protect your account from big losses. The idea, lots of small trades, letting wins outweigh losses over time. I checked in weekly to make sure everything was running smoothly and to review the results. The bot traded while I lived my life. I could focus on work, hobbies, or just relax, knowing the bot was handling the trades. At month's end, my account grew by about 7%. That's a solid return for almost zero effort. On a larger account, that's real passive income, and it's scalable. The more you invest, the more you can potentially earn, but always be cautious. But remember, trading is risky. Even the best bots can lose money during market swings. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Only use funds you're comfortable risking. If you do your research and use a reputable bot, this can be a powerful passive income machine. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can work. To recap, find a verified bot, connect it, set risk low, and let it trade for you. Monitor your results and adjust as needed. High risk, high reward. But the automation is incredible. It's like having a financial assistant working around the clock. Now, let's try something creative with zero financial risk, because there are ways to automate and earn without putting your money on the line. Third stream, selling digital products. You create something once and then you can sell it over and over again, with no extra effort each time. It's the ultimate way to turn your knowledge or creativity into ongoing income. Digital products are things like ebooks, templates, guides, or checklists. They can be anything that helps people solve a problem, learn a skill, or save time. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping to worry about, and no physical products to store. It's just pure automation from start to finish. Customers can buy, pay, and receive the product instantly. No extra work from you after it's set up. So, what can you sell? Pretty much anything. Social media templates, workout plans, recipes, budget spreadsheets, Lightroom presets, or even a simple ebook. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor your product to your own interests or expertise. The key is to find a small problem people have, and create a digital solution that makes their life easier or better. For this video, I made a YouTube video planning kit, templates for scripts, checklists, and thumbnails. It's a toolkit for anyone who wants to plan and organize their YouTube content more efficiently. I designed everything in Canva in just a few hours, then packaged it all together as a downloadable PDF. I listed it on Etsy and Gumroad, two of the most popular platforms for digital products. Both platforms have built-in audiences and are super easy to set up. Just upload your file, set your price, connect your payment method, and you're done. No complicated tech required. The platforms handle payments and delivery automatically, so you don't have to lift a finger after the initial setup. A few days later, I got my first sale. Then another. It was exciting to see the notifications come in. All of these sales were organic, with no ads or social media promotion at all. People just found my product and bought it. Over the month, I made about $100 from work I did in one afternoon. The best part? That product can keep selling without any more effort from me. This income can keep coming in for months or even years, as long as people keep finding value in what you've created. Each digital product is like a tiny employee working for you forever, generating income while you focus on other things or even sleep. Imagine making one new product a month, building up a library of digital assets that all work for you. After a year, you'd have 12 streams of income, each one adding to your overall earnings and giving you more financial freedom. This is one of the most scalable and hands-off passive income models out there. If you're looking for a way to earn more while working less, digital products are the way to go. Fourth stream, earning crypto for doing almost nothing, no buying or trading, just earning new tokens as an early user. I use two apps, Pi Network and Grass. Pi Network lets you mine crypto on your phone by tapping a button once a day, no battery drain, no data use. The catch: Pi isn't worth anything yet. It's a long-term play. If the project succeeds, your tokens could be valuable. Grass is similar to the internet sharing apps, but pays you in points that will convert to crypto. Install the Grass Chrome extension, and it quietly uses a bit of your unused bandwidth for AI companies. Both apps are easy to set up and run in the background. I've accumulated thousands of Pi tokens and Grass points in a month, with maybe 2 minutes of effort. The value isn't guaranteed, but the downside is zero. You're not investing money just a few seconds a day. Think of it as free lottery tickets. Most might be worthless, but one could pay off big. With millions of users and real demand, these projects have potential. This is the lowest risk way to get into crypto. No money required. Fifth and final stream, weekly dividend ETFs. This is the most hands-off, powerful passive income method I found. An ETF is a basket of stocks or assets. Buy one share, and you're instantly diversified. Most pay dividends quarterly, but new weekly dividend ETFs pay you every Friday. It's like a rental property that pays you weekly, but with zero work. I invested in ETFs like YMAX and QQQY, which use option strategies to generate income. You don't need to understand the details. The fund managers handle everything. Just open a brokerage account, buy the ETF, and you're set. You can take the weekly cash or set up a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, to automatically buy more shares. This creates a compounding snowball. Each week you own more shares and get bigger dividends. I turned on DRIP, and every Friday my dividends bought more ETF shares automatically. Over time, this grows your investment and income without you lifting a finger. Of course, ETFs can go up or down in value, so it's not risk-free. But for long-term automated wealth building, weekly dividend ETFs are a game changer. Those are 5 real set-and-forget passive income systems anyone can start. Start small, stay consistent, and your income builds while you sleep. This isn't financial advice, just my experience. We covered everything from selling unused internet, to trading bots, digital products, free crypto, and weekly dividend ETFs. The key is to start. Pick one method and set it up. Earning your first passive dollar is powerful motivation. Build one stream, then another. That's how you create real financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which stream you'll try first.